Second case, Disney licensing and royalty empire. Obviously, these are many case studies I'm giving you today. I'm not spending hours and hours because obviously otherwise we wouldn't be able to fit in the webinar. But I want to give you as many as possible so that you can start thinking about what you can do in your business as well. Now, global licensing model. Disney licenses iconic characters for merchandise, media, and theme parks, as we know. They get royalties from toys, clothing, video games, and think they drive continuous growth, yeah? That will ensure that there's brand longevity. It will go on and on for a long time, yeah? So strategic licensing partnership ensure Disney is always relevant culturally, okay? Now, there's another case study I want to show you, a McDonald's franchise and JV model. Now, franchising is the top complexity in terms of complexity when it comes to royalty strategy, intellectual property monetization, while joint venture is the most simple. They do both. So they combine franchising and joint venture to balance global consistency with local adaptation. Then they also look at where they operate. They make sure they customize according to the region. So they partner with local businesses to tell you menus, operation. So you don't sell the same menu in India as you do in USA, for example, of course, yeah. Then global brand standardization, but you always ensure you got the same experience, yeah? The uniform quality, service across international markets. Yeah? Obviously, the menu will be different country to country, but the experience will be the same.